Good morning, one and all. This is Shailaja. Today I will explain about the properties of triangle, some questions. Here, this is the first one. If the angles of the triangle are in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 10, then the ratio of the smallest side to the greatest side is. Here, this is a triangle ABC. Opposite vertex, A opposite vertex of length is small a, and B opposite vertex of length is small b. Like that, C vertex opposite length is small c. Here, angles are in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 7 is given, no? So, means angle A is to angle B is to angle C is the 3 is to 5 is to 10 is given. Here, A is nothing but 3x, like that B equal to 5x, and the corresponding C is 10x. You know, sum of all interior angles is 180. So, that's why 3x plus 5x plus 10x is 180. So, here 15 plus 3, 18x equal to 180. Here x equal to 10. So, then here you get A angle is 3 into 10, that is 30 degrees, and B angle is 5 into 10, that is 50 degrees, and C angle is 10 into 10, that is 100 degrees. Here in the question, the ratio of the smallest side means here the angle A is the smallest, the angle is 30 degrees. Here 30 degrees, and angle phi B is 50 degrees, angle C is 100 degrees. Means shortest angle, smallest angle, opposite length is small only. So means angle A is a small, side A is a small length, and the greatest side is here 100, and that greatest side is small c. Here what is given, the ratio of smallest side means small a is greatest side, that is greatest side is small c. You have to find out this ratio. So now you take a is to c. Smallest side is a and greatest side is 100 degrees. No, that opposite length is small c. Here using sine rule, here a equal to 2r sine a is C is 2r sine c. Here there is a ratio, no, 2r get cancelled, only you get sine A is to sine C. Already you know sine A angle is 30 degrees is to sine C angle is 100 degrees. So after that sine 30 degrees is, instead of sine 100 you write 90 plus 10. Here sine 30 is 1 by 2, you know the value. Here 90 plus is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant the sign is positive. So but 90 degrees means odd multiple, no? So that's why trigonometric function sign changes to cos 10. So then the ratio 1 is to, that 2 we take that side, 2 cos 10. Of the smallest side to the greatest side is 1 is to 2 cos 10. This is one more sum of the properties of triangle. If the sides of right angle triangle are in AP, then they are in the ratio. We have to find out the ratio, no? So this is a right angle triangle. Let us take the vertices A, B, C. Right angle is at B. Okay. You know here this is a 90 degrees. Means comparing to these two, this is a longest length, no? So this opposite angle is nothing but hypotenuse. That is the longest length of these compared to these two sides. So okay, here sides are in the ratio AP. For example, that ratio you take this is a small a and this is a small b and like that, and this is a small c, no? Small c. So if the sides are in the ratio is given, no? You know that is you take, let us take a minus t, a plus t are the sides. Let these are in AP. Okay, a minus 3, a plus 3 are in AP. So then here the longest length is nothing but, this length is nothing but a plus t. Okay, instead of this you write a plus t. Okay, the remaining two sides is nothing but this a and this one is a minus t, you take. The remaining two sides you take this. So here this is a right angle triangle. You know Pythagoras theory, no? So that is nothing but the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. So using that, we have to take from triangle ABC, angle B is at 90 degrees. Using Pythagoras theory, a plus d whole square equal to a square plus a minus d whole square. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. So after that, a plus d whole square, this a minus d whole square, you take this side, ma, what you get? minus a minus d whole square, that is a square. You know this is a plus d whole square minus a minus d whole square is nothing but 4ad equal to a square. Here in the left a and outside right a one get cancelled, then you get 4d equal to a. Here what is the ratio of these sides ma? What is that? A minus d is a plus d, no? So then simply you substitute the value. Instead of a you write 4d, 4d minus d is 4d is 4d plus d. So then you simplify 4d minus d is 3d, this is a 4d and this is 5d. So this is a ratio, no? D cancel, what you get? 4 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5. So the ratio, if the sides of the right angle triangle are in AP, then they are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. This is another sum of the properties of triangle. See the question. The sides of a triangle ABC are in A, B and C such that 2B equal to A plus C. Then you have to check these options more. Here this is a triangle ABC triangle. Opposite side length is small a and B opposite length is small b and C is small c. Okay. So then you know the triangle, one triangle of property of the triangle, that is sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. You know the triangle property. Okay. The sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Here you take that is a plus b is greater than c. Sum of these two lengths is always greater than the third side. Then here adding the c on both sides, what you get? A plus b plus c equal to is greater than c plus c. Adding c on both sides, no? So here already one condition is given. What is that condition? What is the condition ma? Given condition is 2b equal to a plus c. You take that is 1. Okay. Instead of a plus c, instead of that you write 2b and again 1b is there, no? That you write equal to 2c. So this is since from 1 you take here. 2b plus b is 3b is greater than 2c. So here option b by c one related, no? So that's why b by c is greater than 2 by 3. So you see once first option is correct. Like that b plus c is greater than 2 by 3 means b plus c is greater than 1 by 3 is wrong. Already one case is approved, no? So then you select this b by c is a less than case ma. B by C greater than 2 by 3 is confirmed. Then check the less than property. Another one you take ma. What does that means? B plus C is greater than A. This is also the sum of two sides B plus C. Sum of these two sides is always greater than the third side. Here instead of A, from that relation, since from 1, what you take here from 1, a equal to 2b minus c. Is it correct? Once you check a equal to 2b plus you take this side 2b minus c. So that's why instead of a you write b plus c is greater than 2b minus c. So after that c parts you take one side, c is already there, minus you take this side plus c is greater than 2b plus b take that side, that is minus b. Then what you get? 2c is greater than b. So then what you get here? B by C, no? So okay, 2 is greater than B by C. C take this side. Okay, into, no, that you write in the division part by. So that but you want a less than, no? You can check it as B by, right, like this. B by C is a less than 2. So third condition, C option correct. B by C less than 2 means that condition failed, no? So that's why which option is correct? B by C is greater than 2 by 3 and B by C is less than 2. So these two are the correct. Thank you.